don't know, just kind of like try to lightly cover the red sauce and then put a little bit more on at the end. That's what I usually do. More cheese. Can't have too much of that. Few jalapenos. Ask the crew if they want any on there. You guys want jalapenos?
Yes, please.
Yeah. It's imported from the States, so for all I know, this could be from the States, could be different. Just tastes like jalapenos to me, really. A little more cheese on top. Never have too much, I guess. So they taste better than they look.
Why?
Guaranteed. While they look good, they always taste better. That's just how it is. I don't know. Throwing them in the old oven, you know. Gotta whip them up. Can't cook a pizza without the oven. So these are the ovens we get, and they usually fit one at a time unless there's a rack in there. I didn't look to see if the rack was on board today, but it might be. So just usually cook them one at a time. Got to clean up, you know, take care of the crew chiefs as much as we can because they already have a lot of work. So take care of little stuff like this when we can. I mean, it is our fault anyway, so.
When he opens the door of the oven, the smell travels all the way to the cockpit. We know it's about to come.
Just looks done. A little crispy. Not too crispy though, where it's burnt.
So me personally, our boom operator makes the most fantastic pizzas in the world. The best part is the crunchy on the outside. It's the perfect texture, and the jalapenos hit the spot. But it's delicious.
Well, I can smell the jalapenos. It sounds like or smells like they're going to have a little bit of bite today. And then I like it when the pepperoni is shredded up like this because it's got really good coverage evenly around the pizza. And then it goes really well with the cheddar and the peppers. So, and then he always makes it nice and crispy right around the edge, right here. So you know it's going to be done right when it's like that.
Get this. See if you can capture all this.